Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Declutter. In today's episode, let's look at a very interesting trigonometric problem that I came across while doing some JE prep. So the question goes as follows: cos square alpha plus beta minus 2 cos alpha cos beta into cos of alpha plus beta is equal to sine square beta. I would urge you to pause the video for a couple of minutes, try solving it, and then come back to the solution. Alright, so there are multiple ways of solving this problem. One of the thoughts that comes to my mind when I look at this problem is of the form a square plus b square minus 2ab. So is there something that I can do by adding 2 cos alpha plus beta and subtracting 2 cos alpha plus beta and doing an a plus b whole square? Is one approach. The other simpler approach to this, what I feel is, let's look at this. This term we know 2 cos a cos b can be written as cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So if I have to just write this part of the expression, I can write it as cos of alpha plus beta plus cos of alpha minus beta. And I have a cos of alpha plus beta outside. So when I expand this, what I get is cos square alpha plus cos square alpha plus beta minus cos square alpha plus beta plus cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta. Right? Is this fine? Now we can simply cancel these two terms and I am left with cos square alpha minus cos of alpha plus beta into cos of alpha minus beta. Right? Perfect. So let us try to simplify what cos a plus b into cos of a minus b is. This can be written as cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta into cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. This is of the form of a minus b into a plus b, which I can simplify and write this as cos square alpha cos square beta minus sin square alpha sin square beta. Why? Because a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. And which brings me to the fact my entire expression translates to cos square alpha minus cos square alpha cos square beta plus sin square alpha sin square beta, because this minus multiplies with this and this becomes a plus while this becomes a minus, which will become as which I can write it as cos square alpha into sin square beta plus sin square alpha sin square beta, taking sin square beta common, cos square alpha plus cos square sin square beta alpha, which is equal to sin square beta. Hence true. The entire problem becomes very simple if I just use the 2 cos a cos b formula here and cos a plus b into cos a minus b formula here, and the entire question crumbles like a deck of cards.